Frank had this big plane, 6 musicians, and the belly real empty, the belly of the plane. So I started collecting instruments. And I filled the belly of Frank's plane with instruments.
I think that's it.